What's going on, team? It is almost market close, and I thought I'd show you guys what is going on with Tesla. So let me give you a better view here. I'm going to remove the sticker so you get a clean view of Tesla. So remember, I am playing Tesla on the 30-minute, and today it was an easy day if you watch your charts. So the first thing that you need to look at here is if you're playing on the 30-minute like I am, we had resistance there and we had some resistance there. So at some point I scalped Tesla and sold it right around this area. So I had some puts I had from overnight and I sold it. Very nice profit, 25%. Tesla kept going up. And then right in here, we saw some resistance. And on the 30-minute, remember, you have to wait till this candle closes. And you can see when the candle closed, there was a long wick on top that tells you they're not buying up there anymore. They're selling off. So it's a great entry point to get in here. Okay, 176.76, and then you set your stop loss at the previous candle, 178.34, and then you would have sold in here, or even now you can sell here and you still would have been profitable. So remember, this is the kind of stuff that we're calling out in the bull ring, and we are also, okay, telling you the night before in the bull ring. So if you guys want to join, remember I have a special going on right now, and I'm going to leave you guys a link. But don't forget, I appreciate all your support, guys. It's been going so awesome. If you're finding value, please subscribe, hit the like button, and then hit that little bell so that you get notified on the next video when it comes out. Okay, so what's next for Tesla? So we have, again, Tesla. This is very easy. You draw your lines, and then now we have a little wedge, right? So Tesla tried to show some support on the way up, and it started dropping. It fell out of the wedge a little bit. Now, these yellow lines is what is support for Tesla. So if Tesla goes back down, okay, this is where it's going to bounce off of if we look at history. Okay, let me show you. So Tesla can do this, bounce off and come back up and then continue to rise. I don't think that's going to happen. So what I think will happen is it'll bounce here, come up for a while, and then continue on its way down, do the same there, bounce off, maybe go back and forth a little bit. Okay, and then it'll come back down and you'll see some support right in this area. Okay, I personally think Tesla is going to go to about 145. Okay, this is how the market works, guys. Okay, if you guys remember the video I had when I showed you the Ferris wheel, okay, wherever you start, you're going to come back. And that's what Tesla is doing, and every other stock, they're doing this, okay? So let me show you that example from the video where I shared my sign lines with you guys. All right, so here we go with SPX. So I'll give you a brief update on this. So SPX started up here, guys, okay? And let me point it out for you. So we started here, and the market kept going down. And you can see this orange line is the resistance it had on the way down. So we hit it here once, twice, 3 times, 4, and the 5th time was the charm, because next time SPX found some support and crossed this resistance, but now it found some new resistance here. And you see this white line, that is the new one, and it looks like it's going to play out. So I have different support lines that I draw just to see where it's going to go. I try to get ahead of the trade. So let me show you a little bit. If you want to learn how to do this, remember there's a link below. I show you guys for free. Okay, so we had the support, it fell out, came back up, normal pullback when it's falling, and then it came down. Now, I'm going to get rid of these lines. I want to show you guys something, okay? So if we go, and we're talking about sign lines, okay? We have three here that I showed you guys. We have the blue sign line, we have the green one, and then the pink one. The pink one is the biggest one. And just when we thought it might break into this sign line, which is a shorter one, this is what you want if you're a bull, it actually went back down and now it's breaking the sign line, which is bad. Now, we did have a bank today that was bailed out by the FDIC. So if you're following stock symbol SVIB, which is Silicon Valley Bank, financial bank, guys, and where's the symbol today? They were taken off the market. They are not doing well. They owe a lot of money. They didn't do well with some of their investments. So the FDIC started to bail them out before the market gets bad. If you guys remember history, that is the first sign that the stock market is going to go down and the economy is going to get worse. And there you have it. 15 years of small U.S. banks failure. So this is previous failures from banks, guys. 2008, when we had the big crash in 2009, just look at the amount of banks that started failing. We had our first one today, got bailed out. And then now, maybe we see the bar graph go up for 2023. So be very careful with your investment. Be very careful where you deposit your money. Make sure that it is insured, guys, because this is what we talked about last year in Q4. It's happening now, so take care of your money. All right, so let's take a look at Apple. So Apple is in a downfall, okay? It is doing what stocks do when they fall, and this is what they call pullbacks, guys. Pullback is it comes back up and it goes down. It attempts to go back up again, never reaches the original pullback, and then continues to go down. It went up today, and look at what we have going on. Another pullback. So the entire market is going down, guys, and this is going to continue. You might see a little rally on Monday, but this is going to continue to go down. So be careful with your investments. If you want to learn how to protect any stocks you bought, guys, sign up for my courses. You can't go wrong. 30 days money back guarantee. I'm leaving you a link below. If you have shares, I'll show you in the course how to protect your investment, okay? You can use option contract and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so let's take a look at Google. Google is doing what Apple is doing. So it went down, retraced up, okay? And this time here, Google actually tried to come up, didn't make it too far, and then came down, had a little pullback there, another little pullback there, and now it's doing the same thing Apple is doing. Okay, remember, these stocks follow each other, guys. They follow each other. So if you're trading Microsoft, Google, they're all doing the same. Let me remove these drawings so I can show you the retracement and the pullbacks on Microsoft. Okay, so you have Microsoft here, same thing. I mean, this is easy stuff, guys. So if you want to learn how to invest, this is easy. Okay, it's going down. Okay, Amazon, same thing. Look at this, it is just getting ugly. This is why I always say charts do not lie. Look at that. Now, if you are playing options, guys, this is a great week for you, because if you know how to buy puts, you're making money like the rest of us in the bull ring, okay? It's very easy to know that the market is going to continue to go down, okay? And if you need help with this, guys, Coach Avalos at bullringtrading.com. Ask me a question. Go to Twitter. Click on the link. You'll see my Twitter. You'll see my Instagram. You guys want to ask me questions? Send me a DM, okay? Here we go. Last but not least, SPY. Okay, this is the one that has been making people a lot of money. Let me show you how. See this sell signal? We play it on the 30-minute. If you bought up here at 406 and you got down to 384, now you're talking about a $22 move, guys. If you sign up for my courses, I'll show you how to measure that. There's a ruler here on TradingView, and you click on the level where it was at, and then you just measure down. Okay, 21.65. Okay, but actually the top level was here. Let's go back down, and we are at 23.12, guys. $23. So if you trade options, you know what you could have made on a put. Now let's look at what we did with the rest of the stocks. So here we go. Came down, came up, came back down, pulled back down, pulled back, came back down. And this one popped a little higher than the previous high, but then it just dumped. Okay, so that's what they call a pump and dump. So if you guys want to learn how to avoid this stuff, guys, get an education. If you don't want to buy my courses, buy somebody's courses. Don't go into the stock market not knowing this stuff. Again, if you would have got in here, you sell down there, because look at this. Okay, you have a sell signal right at the top. Okay, here we go. Sell it. Okay, then sell it again. You had a buy signal here, and then resistance, and then another sell signal. So if you didn't get in here, then you get in here. So this was your first entry. If you didn't make it there, you make it here, and then you are a happy camper, guys. This is easy stuff. So I'm gonna post some more videos this weekend, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. If you have questions, remember, hit the link below. You can message me. Take advantage of the free ebook, guys. There's a free ebook in there on how to start trading, and take advantage of some free courses that I've placed in there as well. So until Monday, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the weekend, and make sure you study your charts.